Hello there, my friends. Today we are going to connect these Skullcandy Bluetooth earbuds to an iPhone. I'm going to show you how to do that. So press and hold this battery here, pull down, see where it says Bluetooth. Go ahead and press that. Bluetooth on, press that, make sure it's on. And then here it says Bluetooth settings. Pull that up. Now see where it says other devices. See that little spinning wheel? That means it's searching for other devices. So now if we take these Skullcandy earbuds out, it should pick them up. See how this little yellow, do you see how that little white light was flashing there? So these earbuds should pair with this iPhone. Any minute now. Come on, don't make a liar out of me. All right, see where it says indie? That's what these are called. I don't know why. Maybe that's the brand or the style. But anyway, Skullcandy. I would think it would say Skullcandy, but it doesn't. Anyway, press that. Now it says connected. So now you can use these. And this will stay in memory. So as long as you want this connected. Now, if you try to connect this to a different device, it's fine. You can do that. Just turn Bluetooth off, and then they'll connect to another device. But if you turn the Bluetooth on, and they're anywhere near the device, it should connect. You may have to put them back in the case and take them back out in order to get them to connect again. These are the easiest earbuds to use in the world. Not. I can't even get them out of the case. All right, so let's see how long it takes to connect. And it does take a minute, so be patient. I'm trying to be patient, but these earbuds are something else. All right, so they're connected. So now I can use these earbuds with my iPhone. So that's how you do that. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and if this was of any value, please hit the like button.